Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today join me, let's go ahead and make a rich chocolate mousse. This recipe I'll be using the egg yolks, so I first start by separating the egg yolks from the whites. The next step is to melt the chocolate over a double broiler, which is a saucepan put on top of the stovetop with like 2 inches of water slowly simmering with a bowl set on top, which I then added the chocolate chip inside, ensuring that the bowl is not touching the actual water underneath, and just continuously stirring until all of the chocolate is nice and melted. The goal here is to ensure that the chocolate is smooth so that when it's added into the mousse, the end result is going to be nice and smooth with no lumps. While the melted chocolate is cooling, I go ahead and I add sugar and heavy cream to a saucepan. I bring this to a simmer on the stovetop, continuously whisking until the sugar is dissolved in the cream. Just keep stirring until there is no more signs of sugar crystal. Once the sugar is dissolved, I went ahead and I slowly incorporated the warm mix into the egg yolks. This is called tempering. This method keeps the eggs from becoming scrambled eggs. Then I added the mix back to my pot and I slowly cooked it on low heat until it starts to thicken up like a custard. Then I added that mix to my food processor, and on high, using the whisk attachment, I just whisk it until it became like a nice pale yellow color. Keep whipping until the mix becomes nice and smooth. This also helps for it to cool. Then I went ahead and I measured out some heavy cream and I whipped it until it was nice and firm but not too stiff peaks. It's time to assemble the mousse. I forgot to record when I was incorporating the custard into the melted chocolate. I added the whipped cream in 2 batches. The first half is to help to loosen up the thick chocolate and custard mix and make it a little bit easier to incorporate the second half of the whipped cream, which is going to help to keep the nice, soft, airy feel to the mousse. Now I added the second batch of the whipped cream. This time I will take more time and slowly fold this whipped cream into the mix. This ensures that the mousse stays nice, soft and fluffy, and I do not lose all of the air that I whipped into that whipped cream. This helps the mousse to be nice and smooth and gives you that feel of what a mousse should feel like. Just keep folding until everything is nicely mixed together and fully incorporated. Look at that. The mousse is finally taking shape and coming together. Look at that rich, thick chocolate mousse. I then transferred it into a bowl with a lid and set it into my refrigerator to set up for a minimum of 8 hours. In my case, it will be overnight. There you have it. After 24 hours, nice thick rich chocolate mousse ready to be piped into cakes. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for joining me and have a great day.